Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is class 10 SSLC board chapter wise important questions including previous year question papers. So this is how do organisms reproduce, third chapter from biology. For first chapter and second chapter, check out playlist or my channel, you will get the video, and for physics and chemistry also then check the playlist. Next, come to this chapter. How do organisms reproduce? In April 2019, one multiple choice question was asked about this chapter. Part of the flower that develops into fruit and part of the seed that develops into root respectively are, answer is C, ovary and radicle. Then second question, draw a diagram showing the longitudinal section of a flower. Label the following parts, style and anther. This carries 2 marks. Next, in June 2019, two multiple choice questions. In sustaining reproductive fertility of a person, position of the testes in the body, secretion of testosterone, secretion of the prostate gland are supplementary to each other. Explain scientifically. Sperm formation requires a lower temperature than body temperature. Testosterone regulates, stimulates the formation of sperm. Secretion of prostate gland makes the transportation of sperm easier. Thus, reproductive fertility is sustained by the formation, stimulation to the formation, and the proper transportation of sperms. Next question, draw the diagram showing the germination of pollen and stigma and label the parts on which pollination takes place. So this is 2 mark. Next, come to April 2020. 1 mark question, multiple choice question. In the given figure of cotyledon, the parts labeled as A and B respectively. So A is primary shoot and B is primary root. Next 2 mark question, draw the diagram showing germination of pollen. That is already done. See June 2019 paper. Then come to explain the significant function of each structure in human male reproductive system. So answer is testes. They produce sperms and testosterone hormone which is responsible for male characters. Next one, scrotum. They regulate temperature necessary for production of sperms. Urethra and vas deferens transport sperms from testes. Prostate gland and the seminal vessels, they add their secretion to make sperm transport easier and provide nutrition. Then penis delivers the sperms to the site of fertilization. Or question, explain the structure and important role of placenta during gestation period of women. During pregnancy period, the embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with help of disc-shaped special tissue embedded in the uterine wall is called the placenta. It contains villi on the developing side of tissue. Villi provides glucose and oxygen to produce from the mother to embryo, removes the wastage generated from the embryo. Next, in September 2020, how does menstruation occurs? 2 mark question. Our question was explain the development of fertilized egg into a fetus in women. Then in humans, how the surgical contraceptive method can be used to prevent the pregnancy. So next, come to June 2021 multiple choice question with answer. 3 multiple choice question was asked. In 2021, again multiple choice question 3. In 2022, 1 multiple choice question and one is diagram which is already done in April 2019 paper. Next, in 2022, part of flower that in the plants develops into fruit. Answer is ovary. Next one, how does the uterus prepare to receive the fertilized egg in human? What happens if the egg does not fertilize? Explain. So next is April 2023 a multiple choice question. One is 1 mark question, another one is 2 mark question. Next, last year paper June 2023 multiple choice question, then 2 mark question. Next, this is most likely questions for 2024 including previous year questions also. So if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends, and check the playlist and check my channel for other chapters and for the other subjects, important questions with previous year paper with answers. So come to the most important question they may ask in 2024 paper. What is puberty? The adolescence period in which reproductive tissue begin to mature is called puberty. What are the changes seen in the girls at the time of puberty? The various changes occurs. Hair grow under the armpit and public region. Mammary gland developed and enlarged. The hip is broadened. Extra fat is deposited in various parts of the body like hips and thighs. Fallopian tube, uterus and vagina enlarge. Ovaries starts to release eggs. Menstruation monthly period starts. Feeling and sexual rise associated with adulthood begin to develop. Next question. DNA copying an essential part of the process of reproduction. Justify the statement. To transmit the characteristics of parent organisms to its offsprings, while copying also occasional variations are produced in offsprings. The changes in the copy of DNA provides an organism the capability to survive in changing condition. What is self-pollination and cross-pollination? Name the agent involved in this. This is important question. Next one, if a human is using copper tea, will it help in protecting her from sexually transmitted disease? No, it won't help to protect her from sexually transmitted disease. Copper tea is contraceptive device which prevents union of sperms with egg. Next, what are the different methods of contraception? Barrier method, chemical method, intrauterine contraceptive method, then surgical method. What would be the reason for the adopting contraceptive methods? Then in female reproductive system, how does an egg from ovary reach uterus and develop into fetus? What are the changes that occur in uterus of the development of fetus? Next, question number 9. In sexual reproduction, how does the re-establishment of DNA amount occur in new generation? How is the amount of variation increase among the individual for each of the population? Differentiate between bisexual and unisexual flowers. So unisexual flowers contains male and female reproductive organ in separate flowers, whereas bisexual flowers contains both male and female reproductive organ in the same flower. Explain the process of budding in hydra. Can you think the reason why more complex organisms cannot give rise to new individual through regeneration? Then difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Why is it said that sexual reproduction promotes diversity of characters in the offsprings? Protozoans reproduce by binary fission as well as by multiple fission. In your opinion, which process is better and why? What are the male and female gonads in human being? Mention their function. What happens when accidentally planaria gets cut into many pieces? The spirophyllum leaf falls on a wet soil. So these are the important questions that may ask in your 2024 paper. Stay tuned for next chapter, heredity and evolution. Thanks for watching.